Hi, this is Susan Stewart with Perfectly Placed, and you're watching 60 Seconds with Susan. Today we're going to be talking about kitchen drawers, which can be tricky, and I'm going to show you some of my kitchen drawers to give you some tips. Tip number one is to use categories and store like things together. This is my drawer for my grill tools. Now, tip number two is to use some organizers, some drawer dividers. These are my favorite. They're from Inter Design, and they can be put at any length. And I also like them because you can put them as wide or close together as you want, so you're not limited in the space for your items. Tip number three is to use labels for everything. This is my fruit and veggie gadgets drawer. I like to use labels because everybody knows where to put things back, and then if you've forgotten, you always know where to put things away. Good luck organizing your drawers, and if you still need help, give us a call, 636-686-0048.